Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file an amended tax return. It's crucial to correct any mistakes or omissions you find after submitting your original return. Common reasons for amending include errors in income, deductions, or filing status. You typically have 3 years from the date you filed your original return or 2 years from the date you paid the tax, whichever is later, to make these important corrections. To amend your individual income tax return, you'll need to use Form 1040X, officially known as the Amended U.S. Individual Income Tax Return. This specific form is designed for you to clearly detail the changes you're making and provide a brief explanation for each adjustment. Remember, unlike many original returns, Form 1040X cannot be filed electronically. You must print and mail it to the Internal Revenue Service. When completing Form 1040X, pay close attention to the 3 columns. Column A is for the original amounts, Column B is for the net increase or decrease, and Column C is for the corrected amounts. Be sure to attach any supporting documents, like new or revised schedules, that justify your adjustments. Most importantly, use Part 3 of the form to clearly and concisely explain the specific changes you are making. After you've mailed your amended return, patience is key. The Internal Revenue Service typically takes up to 16 weeks to process Form 1040X. You can easily check the status of your amended return online using the Where's My Amended Return tool on the IRS website. If your amendment results in additional tax owed, be sure to pay it when you file to avoid potential penalties and interest charges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.